Hello traders, I am running a huge year-end special offer. You won't see prices this low all year. Day chat is what I'm going to be focusing on first. This is for very active swing and day traders. I'm going to start with a search that I just released this week. You will see real-time alerts come up in the platform. You do have to have an interface with Tradier or Interactive Brokers for this to work. But what this search does is it looks for volume spikes and price spikes. And so these alerts will come up. You might even see a few of them during trading today. MRNS came up early this morning. Just an absolutely gorgeous stock. You can see here how it comes up to this $9 level and it compresses on this breakout at 9.15. You had a clean shot at a 60-cent profit on a $9 stock. If you're day trading 1,000 shares, you only have to put up about $2,500 for this trade, and that's a $650 winner in an hour. So I'm going to zoom out, look at the daily chart. Here you can see almost a cup and handle type formation with a big breakout here. This is the kind of thing that gets me a bullish opinion right out of the gate early in the day. Money flow is an indicator that we use. You can see that's bullish. This is also a proprietary indicator. It shows relative strength. I'm going to look at a couple of others. Riot, we have been making a ton of money the last few days on this. It came up on this bullish explosion yesterday, and 4 days ago. Yesterday, again, we were all over it. It's been fantastic. Grow, I traded this morning. There you go again. Nice breakout. Surges higher, pulls back to that breakout. Boom, off to the races. Trying to make a new high. Saw it early this morning. That's when the alert came out. And I'm going to verify this in the chat room. Right in here, I got long. It's when the alert came out. And I told chat members instantly, I'm putting a 625 offer on this. Got filled right up in here. Yeah, I got kind of lucky on that one, but I would have been out of it regardless. You have to have the targets working on these huge runners like this. These stocks are super hot. So hopefully they'll come up while I do this video recording. And I'm going to scroll back. I'm going to show you beginning of the day, and you'll see GROW, okay? Classic example. So the trade was right in here. Bought GROW. Everybody should have seen this alert in the platform. It comes up right in the middle of the chart. You can't help but notice it. So I was in on that alert, and I also showed here that I had a $6.25 limit order to sell. I put that in instantly. Down here you see, sold it for a 40-cent profit on a $6 stock. Folks, you're putting up $1,500 to day trade this, 1,000 shares of this, and that's a $400 profit. This alert is absolute gold. I'm going to show you, I'm going to go back yesterday and show you GBT. I posted this chart after the trade, but you can see here, really nice breakdown from the prior day low, okay? Then that low failed, and here we go into the next day, another failure. This stock was breaking horizontal support levels with regularity, so I shorted it, and I'm going to go up to the short. This came up on the alert. I was all over it right away, and so there you go. There's the exit actually for a $3 gain. You don't really need to trade anything but these alerts. So here we go. GBT, there's my stop. There's my initial short. At 9:34, which is Central Time, so an hour after the open, I'm short GBT. Put my 38.40 stop in on GBT. Also was all over XNet. Just really made a lot of money on that one yesterday as well. So that's at 9:30, an hour after the open. And then I've got my $3 winner right there 2 hours later. That's a huge gain. That's a 10% gain on that $30 stock. There's a little bit of analysis required, but not a whole lot. I'll show you GBT. Again, these are super, super hot stocks. I didn't care too much about the bounce, but that actually was a very nice trade as well. I'm going to go into the H1 chart. These are 1 hour time frames, and you can see the big breakdown here, okay, through multiple support levels, and that is what I caught for that $3 gain. Had my limit out there, got filled on my limit, posted it in the chat room. The chat room is filled with other great trade ideas as well. So let me show you day chat, and one of my favorite tools is this market rating right here. I use this to day trade the S&P 500, and I do trade it in the chat room. I let everyone know when I'm getting in, what my stop levels are, when I'm getting out. If I feel I can grab 5 points out of the S&P 500, I'm going to trade it. That's not every day. I might see these high probability trading setups maybe once a week, maybe twice. Certainly if there are 10 or 15 point moves, I'm all over it. Caught a ton of NASDAQ 25 point moves in the last couple of months. So I've been all over it. The chat room's laser focused. We are all professional traders here. We're posting our trade ideas. We're following the system. There's no fluff in here. It's all straight trades. CRTO came up on a search, a bearish explosion search. Didn't like it. On the long side, I do like it on the short side, but it had made such a big move that until I get a really nice bounce, I'm going to leave this one alone. So let's take a look at the searches here. I think I've already shown you these. So if you disable the alert, the pop-up alert, you can still go back and recap these super hot stocks using this bullish explosion search. Scanner, strong, bullish explosion, and you'll see probably the same stocks in bearish explosion too, because once they've been making moves in one direction, they're probably going to make moves in the opposite direction as well. I'm going to go into one of my favorite searches. I'm going to click on strong, and I'm going to go into pop bull. These are fantastic swing trades. If you only did two things and you used pop bull and you used the explosion search I just released, that's all you need. You could just day trade futures off of the day chat. That's all you'd need. But let's go in and take a look at a couple of these. CREE was one that I just looked at earlier today. It's just such a strong stock. Look at that breakout. Boom. Continued to move higher. So love this breakout right here. The trading platform, the only way you can get the trading platform is if you subscribe to Day Chat. I don't offer it anywhere else. But look at these trade signals. I'm using it on an M5 basis. It will work on any time frame. Buy, a little short there, but cover that right away. Look at that buy signal. Woo! We've got a short right up in here. There's your stop, that prior high of the day. So you would not take that short signal. When a stock's got this kind of momentum and it's breaking out on a daily chart, folks, what the heck do I want to short that for? I don't want to short this stock. I want to go long it. Just stay on the long side and wait for those arrows to line up. And you can take profits when you see those sell arrows. That's how it works. This is pop bull. I could go through and take a look at a couple of other these trades. I'll just click on TWTR. Boom, another big breakout right in here. I've had a lot of members on this one throughout the course of the day as well. So in the platform, you get all of my proprietary indicators. You get my buy and sell signals on the systems. They work over multiple time frames. You have my 1-0 squeeze indicator, which is incredible. You just toggle on and off these little tabs down at the bottom. If you want to overlay SMAs, I've got the most common ones laid out for you. I have automatic trend lines that are drawn. That's TL20. I'm going to go into an M5 5-minute chart, and you'll see the TL20. And I can actually move this line right here so that you can see what would have happened. So if you were long on Twitter earlier in here, you see the breach right in here. That tells you get the hay out. It's time to exit that. Take your winners. So the platform is absolutely filled with incredible research you're not going to get anywhere else. In addition to the day chat membership, you also get option chat. That's also part of the subscription. And in option chat, we just exited 2 trades. Every single trade is posted before the open. Log in, read my market comments, look for new trades, look for updates to current positions 5 minutes before the open, and you will never miss a trade. That's when everything is updated, and this is intended for working professionals. So all the information you need is posted before the open. The chat rooms are mobile friendly. You can view them on your cell phone. So what we did was we were in a couple of positions. We were in ABBV January calls, and we were in Walmart January calls. I did not want to have these go front month, which they will next Monday, because time decay will become an issue. So we sold out of our January ABV calls yesterday for a 30% profit. We sold out of our Walmarts for a nickel profit, more than enough to cover commissions, and we rolled in to the ABBV February 97.50 calls. This stock is making higher lows. It's ready to break out. So it's right on that resistance line, and it already has broken out. We want in. So we are long February 97.50 calls. Even if you don't sign up for anything, track the trade, see how it does. Stops are also included. We have a $95 stop on that particular stock. As our winners go up in price, we ratchet up our stop to lock in profits. Most of the trades were looking for 100% profit. Big earnings gap on Walmart. We're in here waiting for that breakout, but it never came, and time decay would have been a factor if we held on. So we sold for a small profit, and now we're back in on our calls. We have a February position there, so we've got lots of time for Walmart to perform. It's compressing here. I'm expecting it to break out and to push through $100. So again, what have we done in option chat this week? Well, we bagged a 30% winner. We got into a couple of other trades. Option chat is up 150%. And here's the P&L. You can see every trade start out with 10 grand in June. We're up to 25,800 on the account using a 25% per trade allocation model. I did not keep a track record from January through May, but I did post a YouTube video with all of my trades months ago. I know for sure the account was up 100% before we even got to June. So the performance has been incredible this year, and it just buys options. Option chat only buys options. It is the hardest strategy to execute. I also launched Spread Chat. So I posted the first trade last week. It was an NVIDIA bullish put spread, and I'll see if I can go back and find the chart on it. There's the chart on it. We leaned on that 100-day moving average, and we sold that bullish put spread, the December 15 expiration, 185 puts, bought the 180s, did that for $1.05 credit, bought it back for 55 cents. So we made a 15% profit on that trade based on the margin we had to put up, and it lasted for 4 days, I believe, maybe 5. We bought it back though because I did not like the weakness that I was seeing in the underlying stock. We also entered a Gilead put spread, which is in nice shape right now. If that put spread expires, we should have a nice 50% profit on that. We put it on for 33 cents. Had to put up 67 cents in margin. If it expires, that's a 50% winner. Really nice. We just missed a really good Tesla trade. And I know some members got long the stock when they saw the breakout. This was, again, I'm going to go back and I'll show you. These comments were on the 12th of December. You can see right here, December 12th. There's the timestamp, 8:21 Central Time. That's posted 10 minutes before the open. Here's your new trade. Sell the December 305 puts, buy the 300 puts, do it for $1 credit. Tesla pulled back after this order was working, so we were cents away from getting filled on it before the stock took off, and it, I believe, is at 335 right now. It rallied 15 points, and I think it added another 15 points. Just a huge opportunity. We missed it, okay? So we missed this trade, but the research was good, and my indicators telling me that this stock was ready to run were spot on. We'll catch it next time. So we also have a Celgene order working, and that is for next week. We're trying to sell the 106-105 bullish put spread for 35 cents that expires on December 22nd. There's the analysis. We've got our compression. We've got our breakout. Everything looks great. If we enter this trade and it's successful, we'll have another 50% winner. These are the types of setups that we're looking for. Option chat and spread chat are greatly reduced right now. This is also the deal of the year. Normally, option chat is $299.95 per quarter. Same with spread chat. You can sign up for $600 for the year and save 50%. Day chat includes everything I've shown you today. It includes the day chat room with the market rating. It includes option chat. It includes spread chat. And day chat is the only way that you can get my trading platform. The chat rooms are great. They're awesome. But my platform is the golden goose. I have indicators that I've been working on for 10 years that you will not find anywhere else. Searches, alerts, trading system, everything in the platform. So if you're an active trader, there is absolutely no question you should be a day chat subscriber. Even my S&P trades will pay for the system many times over. The alerts, the explosion alerts I just showed you, just that. Pop bull search. That's all you need. It doesn't have to be very complicated. And you're going to get a continual stream of great trades in day chat along with my market comments every single day for a year. You're going to know exactly where I stand. If you're a working professional, option chat and spread chat, you can't beat them. There will be times when we can't buy options because the market's simply not moving. In those instances, spread chat will pick up the slack. There's always premium that we can sell. So spread chat, I'll have a new trade every week. Option chat, when I'm really bullish, or really bearish, the most I'll ever have on is 4 trades. So it's not insurmountable. Same with spread chat. I'm not looking to inundate you with information. I'm looking to give you the highest quality trades in option chat and spread chat. For those of you who need action, well, go to day chat and it'll be like drinking water out of a fire hydrant. You're going to have great trades flying at you left and right all day long. So I thought I would show you what we're up to this week. So just to recap, day chat, GBT, $3 winner in about 2 hours on a $30 stock. I showed you 2 other stocks, GROW, where I made 40 cents in about 30 minutes on a $6 stock on that explosion alert. Option chat, I showed you how we took a 30% winner on ABBV just yesterday. Spread chat, I showed you a Netflix trade that we just closed out for a 15% winner, and I showed you 2 other spreads that we're currently in. We are hitting trades left and right. So I hope to have you aboard. These are the best prices of the year. If you haven't taken the free trial, my God, that's a great place to start. If you have taken the free trial, you've seen all of this firsthand. I really hope to have you join us. Thank you.